Now, determine return on investment. What do I have to find out? Return on investment and net asset turnover ratio. Okay. When I'm talking about the return on investment, what is the formula for return on investment? Return on investment is profit, or I could say earnings before interest and tax upon capital employed into 100. Are you with me? When I'm talking about earnings before interest and tax, so I can say that profit before interest and tax is earnings before interest and tax. Profit before interest and tax is earning before interest and tax, which is called PBIT, minus interest. Okay. This I will get profit before tax. Minus interest, I will get profit before tax. Minus tax, I will get my normal profit. Okay. What do I need? I need this profit before interest and tax. Are you with me? Okay, fine. I need profit before interest and tax, and then I need the capital employed. Correct? Okay. What have they given to me? What have they given to me? They have given to me the profit after tax. The profit after tax is 600,000. I am putting it. Are you with me? Yes. Okay. Tax is 40%. So tax will be 40% of this. Tax will be 40% of this. Are you with me? Tax will be 40% of this. So can I say if profit before tax is 100, tax becomes 40, so profit is 60. So if I say 60 represents 600,000, so 100 will be how much? I want to find 100. So I'll cross multiply 600,000 divided by 100 into 60. Okay. 0, 0, 0, 0 minus 600,000 into 60. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 6 zeros are 0, 0 and 6, 6 are 36. So 36,000 is my profit before tax. 36,000 or 360,000? 360,000. So 360,000 is my profit before tax. I hope you have calculated. Yeah. So, no, yaar, my calculation is wrong. Come on, again, let's do the calculation. Do the calculation yourself also, na? 600,000 into 100 divided by 60. So 6 ones are 610,000. So 1 lakh into 100 becomes, no, this is 10,000 into 100. 10,000, 2 zeros. So this will become 10 lakh. So my profit before tax is how much? 10 lakh. 40% tax will become how much? 40% tax will become how much? 4 lakh, 400,000. Okay. To find the return on capital employed, I need my profit before interest and tax. What do I have? We have profit before tax. I need profit before interest and tax. Are you with me? Yes. You're sure you're with me? Yes. Come on, read ahead. What will I do? 15% debentures were 20 lakh and 10% bank loan was 20 lakh. Can I find my interest? Interest will be on what? Interest will be on the loans that you have taken. Calculate interest. 15% debentures. Can you do it along with me? 15% debentures is 20 lakh. 10% bank loan is 20 lakh. So 15% on 20 lakh is how much? Interest on debentures is 3 lakh and 10% bank loan. So interest on bank loan, 10%, that means you reduce 10. So this will become how much? 2 lakh. Your total interest is how much? 4 lakh. See then, total interest is how much? So I will put 5 lakh over here. I will put 5 lakh over here. So what is my profit before interest and tax? I want to go from down to up. I want to go from down to up. From down to up, I will reverse 10 lakh plus 5 lakh. 15 lakh. From down to up, you will do reverse. So if it's minus 5, you will do plus 5. So this becomes 15 lakh. Solve. So we already found out the interest earning before interest and tax. Now our next target is to find out our capital employed. What is the formula for capital employed? What is the formula for capital employed? Capital fund plus borrowed funds plus reserves and surpluses. That means, let's see what is our capital fund. That is 20 lakh for debentures. Then bank loan, again I have 20 lakh. Then for share capital, preference share capital, we have 30 lakh. Equity share capital is 40 lakh. Reserves and surplus is 10 lakh. So total 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 crore 20 lakhs. So 1 crore 20 lakh. So what is our earning before interest and tax? It will be 15 lakh. Don't forget to put the commas because you're doing calculations yourself. Divided by 1 crore 20 lakh into 100. 3 zeros and 3 zeros goes, 1 0 and 1 0 goes. This will go in which table? 3 table. 3 5s are, 3 4s are, 4 1s are, 4 2s are 8 and 2 carry 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 25. So 12, 25 into 5. Am I correct? Sorry. So I'll do 5 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4. Bring down 1. Sorry. 25 into 5 is how much? 25, na? We'll do the calculation again. Leave. 5 lakh divided by 1 crore 20 lakh into 100. Come on, these 2 zeros gone, these 2 zeros gone. 1 3 zeros gone, 3 zeros gone, 1 0 gone, 1 0 gone. So you have 50 divided by 12. 12, 24, 36, 48. 12 fours are 48. Are we getting correct answer? So this is 15 lakh divided, 150 divided by 12. Okay? 150 divided by 12. 12 fours are 12. Now 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15 and 0. So 50 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4. Bring down 1 and 0. 4 2s are 8. 2. Put a point 0. 5. The 20. So the answer is 12.5% for return on capital employed. Are you with me?
Yes.
So we found out, what did we find out? Which ratio return on investment. Are you all with me?
Yes.
Now the next thing is that you have to find out net asset turnover ratio. How do you find out net asset turnover ratio? Yasir, Anas, you tell me. Right along with me, how do you find out the net asset turnover ratio? Divided by capital employed. Right along with me. Divided by capital employed. When I say revenue from operation, that means it is sales minus sales return. Okay. And capital employed means what? All the own funds plus all the loan funds plus all reserves and surpluses. Sales minus sales return is 3 crore 75 lakh minus 15 lakh. So this becomes 3 crore 50 lakh. Yes? And all the capital employed is 1 crore 20 lakh. Are you with me?
Yes.
So we cancel all the zeros. So we are left with, okay, this is 360. So we are left with 36 by 12. So 12 ones are and 12 threes are. So net asset turnover ratio is how much? Net asset turnover ratio is 3 times. Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay. We'll go to the next sum. Which sum I will do? Go to the 45th sum. Come on. We have to calculate interest coverage ratio. Can you tell me what does the interest coverage ratio tells us? What about interest? How much net profit can cover interest expense? How many times? Please write along with me.
Yes.
That means with the profit that I earn, I can pay interest how many times? What is the formula for interest coverage ratio? Okay, I will write the formula. Please write the formula along with me. Write it. Interest coverage ratio is equal to profit before interest and tax divided by interest. But this will be interest on what? On long-term borrowings. So when I talk about the interest coverage ratio, it is profit before interest and tax upon interest on long-term borrowings. Now I should know how do I get the profit. So I will write the formula the way we used to write it. Profit before interest and tax minus interest. What do I get? Profit before tax minus tax. I will get profit. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Profit after interest and tax, 7,50,000. This they have given us. Are you with me? 50,000.
Yes.
Profit after interest. Can you tell me where will this come? 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Which row will it come in? Profit after interest and profit after tax. That means this is our main profit. After interest, after tax, 7,50,000. Rate of tax is how much? 25. Tax is on what? Tax is on what? So profit before tax is 100. If 100 is profit before tax, tax is 25. So my profit will be 75. 75 represents 7,50,000. So 100 will be how much? Why 25,000? 10 lakh. So tax will be 2,50,000. Are you with me? I have 9% debentures of 800,000. So can you tell me what will debentures give me? Yeah. 9% debentures is 800,000. So calculate interest for me. Calculate interest for me. Into 9%. 0 and 0. 8 nines are so 72,000. So interest is 72,000. So can you give me profit before interest and tax? From down to up, if you're going to add it. So this is 10,72,000. So my formula profit before interest and tax is 10,72,000 and interest on long-term borrowings is 72,000. Interest coverage ratio tells me how many times my profit will cover interest. So how many times? 10,72,000 divided by 72,000. I will minus the 3 and 3. I will see what goes over here. 2 3s are 6. 2 6 are 12. 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 6. And 2 6 are 12. Again, I will try on 2's formula. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 18. 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 12. And 2 8s are 18. Again 2. 2 9s are 2 1 34. Let's do 9 divided by 134. 9 ones are 9. 10, 11, 12, 13. 9, 18, 27, 36. 4s are 36. So I will have 8. I will put a point, bring down 0. 9 8s are how much? 72. Bring down 8. Put a 0. Yeah. So it will be 0.888888. So it will be 14.9 times. 8 9 times.